Welcome to Fabby John's The Joy of Decorating. Easter decorations typically begin to appear around mid to late March, depending on when Easter falls that year. Many people start decorating around the beginning of Lent, which is 40 days before Easter, or closer to 2 weeks before the holiday itself. This timing allows for a festive atmosphere without overdoing it too early. If you're someone who enjoys a long lead up to the holiday, starting a little earlier can be fun. Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference and when you feel like getting into the Easter spirit. Similar to Christmas, Easter is always a great time to gather with loved ones. Authenticity, personality, expression, and purchasing high-quality items that will last for years or be passed down through generations are all important components of a lovely table setting. The most intriguing and exquisite tablescapes are created using heirlooms, china, handcrafted ceramics, vintage glassware, and flatware, fine table linens, and seasonal centerpieces. Intentional layering is also important when decorating for Easter. All too frequently, I see people going overboard with their fake decor, so the table ends up appearing stale and forced. You want the feel of your table to be genuine and organic. Fresh flowers or leaves, fruits or vegetables, and handmade or textured items are always a good choice, or just stuffed with wonderful food. Using a dish that has been painted or crafted by hand has a genuine, inspirational quality. By combining store-bought flowers and leaves, the floral centerpiece adds interest and uniqueness. Easter always turns out to be more of a brunch event. As soon as everyone wakes up, everybody drinks their coffee or hot chocolate, served with eggs Benedict for brunch. have a happy Easter to you and your family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.